Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Salary Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
And for last 3 months, the payments are not done. I am aware about it, and we are trying to release the payments, all pending. And we are conducting survey at the same time, wherein if there are any people still who have not applied, ज्याचे घरा कडेन कोण ना ताजे कडेन बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट ना हे ना ते ना बट एज ऑफ टुडे वी हॅव 1,38,000 बेनिफिशरी ऑफ DSS आणि हेंय करपाक लायल्या की DSSच्या नांवान खुबशे लोक जे घरान सर्विसी आसात तांचे बापूय आवय घेतात आनी एक फॅमिली आसतनाय बी all those whose income is more than 24,000 per annum are not qualified or eligible for this scheme. So we are in the process looking out for such people who have eventually their income is gone beyond the limit. आणि तांकां हें करपाक जाय तांकां काडलें जाल्यार दुसऱ्यांक घेवपाक मेळटा.
पणजे वास्को रुटावेलो ट्राफिक कांय प्रमाणात कमी करूंक फेऱ्यो सुरू करपाचो खंय विचार चल्ला.
सरकारान ऑप्शन दिले जाय in order to reduce the burden on the roads, MDR roads and highways, then we can start a ferry boat services. Let us say from Vasco to Panjim, Panjim to Vasco, the busiest road. If we get a very comfortable vessels, then we can do it and we can reduce the burden on the roads.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी.